Our Whissel Widget of the week. Let's talk about this. Is our Whissel Widget of the week is something that we use in our day-to-day life or our day-to-day business that helps save us time, make us money, or just have some more fun. Tell me, Tom, what is your widget?
So my widget, as I am a giant child, is stickers. I love stickers, but stickers with a purpose.
Do you have a bunch of stickers on your hydro flask? Are you one of those?
No, I like the look of the hydro flask. It's clean.
Do you have bumper stickers on your car?
No, I like it because no.
Okay.
Like I said, stickers with a purpose.
Okay, carry
on. So I can't take credit for this idea. Peter McKinnon, who's a YouTuber, did a video on this, and I really liked it. But basically, so they're a sticker book I made, but with my logo on them. I don't know if you can see it, but it has my logo and my name. It says Thomas Cubed on it. And these little stickers I take and I throw on all my gear. So put on my batteries, my battery charger, any little loose things. And it's helped out a lot, especially since the media team shares an office. You know, we all three at one point had Canons. It just makes it really simple. You know, Bryan can open up his camera, look at the battery, and be like, oh, hey, this is your battery because it has my sticker on it. So if you're a videographer, photographer, and your gear is always getting mixed up with other people's stuff, I highly recommend just getting little tiny stickers that you can throw on your stuff. I got these little booklet from moo.com, and I love them.
And the stickers are about an inch by inch?
Yeah, super tiny. Nothing crazy big.
I think I found, so moo.com is great. I was looking at some other options for some other things. I think I found, if you just Google small square stickers or something like that, there was a website I found 1,000 stickers for $38 or something.
That's great.
Yeah, it's easy. So yeah, I love stickers.
Throw them on your batteries, throw them on your charging boxes, especially here. You know, people are like, oh, hey, do you have a charger that I can borrow? And it's like, yeah, sure. And I know I'm going to get it back because
you know it's yours.
I just know it's mine.
Unless they pull off the sticker. Mine is something that we just implemented. I think it was appropriate because we're talking about virtual assistants. It helps with a process for us. I'm big into process and making sure things get done every time, on time. And so it actually is utilizing 3 different systems to do one specific task. So what I have is I wanted to create just listed and just sold posts for our agents to be able to use on as soon as things get listed or get sold, so they can use it on Facebook or Instagram or whatever. And so what I actually have is every time a property gets listed or sold, a new item is created in a Monday board. And that Monday board notifies Cedric and says, Cedric, you have a just listed for this agent. He'll make the design utilizing Canva, and he'll save it, upload it online, and put it in Monday. Once he says it's done, it goes through an automation through Zapier or Zapier, however you want to call it. And then it will actually send a message in Slack in a channel that we described and say, hey, we have a new property that was just listed or just sold. It was listed by this person. Here's the photo. And so that way it gets up there automatically tagged, saved, done all pretty smooth and seamless, utilizing a couple different systems. So that way we know we can create content for our agents, get it delivered quickly and easily, all through using a couple automations. So my widget is a combination of 6 things, but
7 things.
For those of you guys automation nerds out there, I know you guys are there. That is something you can do. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's episode of This Whissel Way. We will be back next week. We'll see you then.
Later.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.